failures are actually learning behaviors and what you can take and look at the patterns from the past and set yourself up for success for the future. You need your own personal brand. People are actively out there looking to develop business, looking to find their next client, their next customer, and their next strategic partner.
How has your experience been while being on the Failures Lounge podcast?
Oh, it's been great. Terrell's awesome. He served as a Marine.
Cole the Connector. Welcome to the Failures Lounge podcast. Just got one question for you. Why the Cole Connectors?
Well, Cole is the name, connecting is the game. That's the whole focus, is to build community everywhere I go.
And I understand, well, it seems like that you've been doing it for quite some time. You can look at me. You understand that you've been doing connected for quite some time because you're confident delivering it. Yeah. But before you got confident, what was your biggest failure?
Oh, I would stumble over my words. I still stumble over my words every day, but getting back out there as soon as you fall down is the best way to learn. You know, those failures are actually learning behaviors and what you can take and look at the patterns from the past and set yourself up for success for the future.
Okay. So what is Code the Connector? What is your business that you actually do though?
So basically my background, staffing and recruitment, that gave me the skill set that I needed to be able to be an avid networker and a connector. But really what I do is I help businesses find brand aligned communities that are focused on their ICP or ideal customer profile.
Ideal customer profile. That's very strategic how you're positioning that, because you're very good with your words. And your words goes back to the Code the Connector, because everything's like you're rhyming. It's like you're writing a song or you're creating music or something like that. But in reality, when you have a brand, you're an artist because you're constantly creating.
Exactly. And that Code the Connector brand came out earlier this year with help of a mastermind and some business professionals who are like, you need your own personal brand. So I love connecting people. That's just natural, is being able to find their background and say, hey, your background aligns with this person's background. Let me connect you and just watch business happen.
Man, that's powerful. So we're at the Tampa Business Expo. What is your biggest takeaway from it so far?
That Tampa's on the grow. Like, there's no doubt. There's so many people. There's 1,500 people that came through this event today. I mean, people are actively out there looking to develop business, looking to find their next client, their next customer, and their next strategic partner. So if you're not out here and doing events like this one at the Tampa Business Club, you're just sleeping on the amount of rich culture that Tampa has to offer.
I definitely agree. It's definitely something that's worth coming to and attending to, because there's so many people that you would never know that you can meet. Last question. How has your experience been while being on the Failures Lounge podcast?
Oh, it's been great. Terrell's awesome. He served as a Marine. Hoorah. Yep, there you go. So I grew up next to Quantico. Yeah. So obviously that was a Marine base. And I'm just so thankful for ex-Marines like you, veterans like you.
Once a Marine, always Marine.
Exactly. So, I mean, people who just are truly serving our country, I'm forever in debt, because I can now chase my own dreams, connecting people as Cole the Connector. So thank you so much for this opportunity, Terrell, and I appreciate you.
Absolutely. Last question. How can people find you, work with you, and work with Cole the Connector?
Yeah, Instagram's the best way. Cole the Connector. It's just my brand name, and I'd be happy to connect on Instagram and get you connected.
There you go. Thanks again, Cole the Connector. I appreciate it, bro.
Thank you.